Hey guys, sorry for that. Today we're doing question 7 from section 0.1, which is z over 2 equals 4z squared minus 1. So we're going to start out looking what we can take away from these equations. And what's easy is to take away the 2. So I thought multiplying 2 would be the best thing to do. So I'm going to do z over 2, rewrite the equation as I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to multiply by 2 on each side. And so on the left side, the 2 cancels out, so it's just going to be z equals 8 z squared, because 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 1 is 2, so it's going to be z equals 8z squared minus 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and we're going to subtract 8z squared and then add 2 to the other side, bring everything over to the left so we can equal it to 0. So it's going to be negative 8z squared plus 2 plus z equals 0. And so from here, looking at it, we can most definitely do the quadratic equation. So I'm going to first fill it in for you guys, and then I'll show you on the side what and why I chose the quadratic equation for this. So I'm plugging in everything. Hold on. Okay, almost done. Okay, so here I'm gonna write on the side y. So basically y is because as you see my equation, our equation that we're doing right now, you can see that ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is the same like format as that one. So, and using that, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, using that we can do the quadratic equation, which is x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So using that, you take the numbers from negative 8z squared plus z, or plus 2 plus z equals 0, and plug it into the quadratic equation. So now, as you can see, I took the negatives away and put 1 plus or minus, because 2 negatives make a positive, and then I'm still going to put in the stuff that is in the square root and in the fraction. Not touching that yet because I want to do step by step so you guys can see the breakdown. So now I'm going to do the negative 1 squared, writing down everything. Forgot the 1, but I put it there. And then now I'm going to do the negative 1 squared, which is going to be 1, minus x, or 4x, times 8, and then times negative 2, and then over 2x 8. 2 times 8, sorry. But yeah, this is what I got from doing that. And now we're going to do the 4 times 8 times negative 2. Made the square root a little too long. So now I'm going to write the negative 1 plus 64 over 2 times 8. And then now we're going to deal with the 2 times 8. So I'm going to rewrite z equals 1 plus or minus square root 1 plus 64, and then you should come to 16 for 2 times 8. And then now we're going to do the 1 plus 64, which is going to be 65, and then 16. So your answer is z equals 1 plus or minus square root of 65 over 16, which writes, if you break down the answer, you'll get z equals 1 minus the square root of 65 over 16. Or z equals 1 square root of 65 over 16. So those are the answers broke down, and thank you for watching.